Hello everyone, this is Stream Beauty Factor here, back with another video. Y'all know what time it is. It's filming time. It's filming time. It's filming time. It's filming time. Come on, sing it with. It's filming time. It's filming time. Alright guys, I'm back here. I'm here with another video, guys. I can't even talk this morning. Guys, I'm a little I feel a little ilky this morning. I'm trying to shake it off. Cause today's Sunday and I got to go get this word, this meat to fill me up for the week. You know, so it's a little, I just want to be transparent with y'all. Had a little doubt this morning about everything that I'm doing. I'm big on support. I'm big on support. And sometimes you feel like you're not getting, but God just reminded me this morning, talking to my sister, you know, that I support you first. So if you have God supporting you first, then that's great. Because people going to come regardless or not, because they're human. They're going to support you or they're not going to support you. So you have to do what God has for you. And right now, God has this business before me, and it's very hard, y'all. It's very hard for me because this is new. When things are new, guess what? It's very hard. So I'm not going to keep this video intro. I just want to be transparent with y'all this morning. My energy level a little bit low this morning. But I do want to read a scripture that, you know, about doubt, that anybody that has that this morning. I want to be an encouragement to you as somebody encouraged me. I want to encourage y'all. You know, any doubt that you have or things that God has you to do, I don't care what it is. Keep going forth. Keep focused on Him, because I have to keep my vision straight and narrow. Don't look to the side, because as soon as I look to the side, I waver off. And that's what I've been doing. I've been wavering off, and now I got to put myself, get back in the line with God, and eyesight in Him, forward looking. Excuse me, I'm gonna read that again. It's Mark 9. I do believe, help me overcome my unbelief. And it's verse 24. So I just want to share that with y'all this morning, something real quick. Just tell you, you know, anybody that's having doubt this morning or whenever you look at this tonight, you know, keep going forward, keep doing what you're doing. I'm telling you, my energy is very low, and I'm not going to stay on here long. But guys, I want to come on here. I made, each time I come on, I'm going to show y'all different products that I do make. I have other things that I'm trying to get on my line, you know, the eyelashes, the shea butter, other things that God gave me to do this, because I'm doing this by hand on my own. So, well, let me stop saying on my own, with the help of God and myself. You know, I have other people that's there, and I really appreciate them. I just want to tell everybody that are supporting me. I don't care if it's a shout out, I don't care what it is. Thank y'all for the support, the talks, the texts. Everything that with me going through this situation right now is very, very hard. Y'all just don't know. Whoever that business owners that listening to this, y'all know. Okay, so I want to show y'all what I came up with. I had a special request for this, you know, and guys, I do have special requests if anybody wants to a special flavor or something with their lip gloss or whatever. Let me know. I'll make it, because a friend of mine, Beverly, she asked me, do I have lemon? I had strawberry lemonade, but I didn't have plain lemon, so I made this for her. Oh God, ain't that vibrant, y'all? And it's called lemonade, and that's the color right there. It's on my website now. And then I have another one that I called cherry bomb. Y'all, because the reason why I call it that is because it has cherry in it. Oh my God, it smells so good. And this is the color that I came up with, and that's the labels on the back. I told y'all guys I was gonna put labels. I'm using all these labels up right here because eventually my labels are going to change due to the fact that I brought these when I first started my business. So this right here, labels are going to change. So this is right here is called cherry bomb. And this right here, oh my God, this is something I was experimenting with. It's gold, but it has a tint of green. But somebody did order it. Beverly did order it, because I thought nobody wasn't gonna order it. And I called this, what did I call this? This one is called, let me look at a little bit. Oh, it's called golden pineapple, because it got a pineapple flavor. So y'all, so I am going to try, which one am I going to try? I got to try one for y'all guys. And this one right here, I like this one too. I haven't named this one yet, but y'all, look at the blue in that. Oh my God. I'm gonna make that, and I'm gonna come up with a name, and that's gonna be on my website as well. Okay? So let's do the lemonade. Let's do the lemonade. Okay, let's do lemonade. Do I have a spare one? I got labels on this one. Okay, let's not do the lemonade. Let's do the one that don't have labels. Let's do the cherry. Okay. This one well, I'll do this one. This one has cherry, but it don't have the hint of purple in it, but this is the cherry bomb one. So I'm gonna put this on my lips. Oh my God, y'all. Y'all can just smell through the screen. Again, I'm going to say, ooh, bougie. There it is, y'all. Not sticky. Okay. All right, guys. I ain't going to keep you long. Remember, when there's an event, I got some content. And guys, guess what? I'll see y'all in the next video. Like, share, and subscribe. Bye, guys. On to the video.
It's the extreme beauty factor. You know she's not an actor. Her content will leave you coming back for more. For more, for more, for more. She slayed them faces, yeah. No matter what the race is, no. Book her for your next event. When there's an event, she got content. Yeah, she will make it worthwhile. She will make sure you looking fly, with that highlight and big lashes on your eye. My favorite part is when she hit the slow-mo. I just love the way that her soul glows. It's the extreme beauty factor. You know she's not an actor. Her content will leave you coming back for more. For more, for more, for more. She slayed them faces, yeah. No matter what the race is, no. Book her for your next event. When there's an event, she got content. Yeah, she will make it worthwhile. She will make sure you looking fly, with that highlight and big lashes on your eye. My favorite part is when she hit the slow-mo. I just love the way that her soul glows. It's the extreme beauty factor. You know she's not an actor. Her content will leave you coming back for more. For more, for more, for more. She slayed them faces, yeah. No matter what the race is, no. Book her for your next event. When there's an event, she got content. Yeah, she will make it worthwhile. She will make sure you looking fly, with that highlight and big lashes on your eye. My favorite part is when she hit the slow-mo. I just love the way that her soul glows. It's the extreme beauty factor. You know she's not an actor. Her content will leave you coming back for more. For more, for more, for more. She slayed them faces, yeah. No matter what the race is, no. Book her for your next event. When there's an event, she got content. Yeah, she will make it worthwhile. She will make sure you looking fly, with that highlight and big lashes on your eye. My favorite part is when she hit the slow-mo. I just love the way that her soul glows. It's the extreme beauty factor. You know she's not an actor. Her content will leave you coming back for more, for more, for more, for more. She's laid them faces, yeah. No matter what the race is, no. Book her for your next event. When there's an event, she got content. Yeah, she will make it worthwhile. She will make sure you looking fly, with that highlight and big lashes on your eye. My favorite part is when she hit the slow-mo.
Hey guys, right here I was trying to put the LA Girl Shockwave Neon Liner on my waterline, but it didn't work. It'll go on my hand, but it wouldn't go on my waterline. Alright guys, on to the video.
It's the extreme beauty factor. You know she's not an actor. Her content will leave you coming back for more, for more, for more, for more. She's laid them faces, yeah. No matter what the race is, no. Book her for your next event. When there's an event, she got content. Yeah, she will make it worthwhile. She will make sure you looking fly, with that highlight and big lashes on your eye. My favorite part is when she hit the slow-mo. I just love the way that her soul glows. It's the extreme beauty factor. You know she's not an actor. Her content will leave you coming back for more, for more, for more, for more. She's laid them faces, yeah. No matter what the race is, no. Book her for your next event. When there's an event, she got content. Yeah, she will make it worthwhile. She will make sure you looking fly, with that highlight and big lashes on your eye. My favorite part is when she hit the slow-mo. I just love the way that her soul glows. It's the extreme beauty factor. You know she's not an actor. Her content will leave you coming back for more, for more, for more, for more. She's laid them faces, yeah. No matter what the race is, no. Book her for your next event. When there's an event, she got content. Yeah, she will make it worthwhile. She will make sure you looking fly, with that highlight and big lashes on your eye. My favorite part is when she hit the slow-mo. I just love the way that her soul glows. It's the extreme beauty factor. You know she's not an actor. Her content will leave you coming back for more, for more, for more, for more. She's laid them faces, yeah. No matter what the race is, no. Book her for your next event. When there's an event, she got content. Yeah, she will make it worthwhile. She will make sure you looking fly, with that highlight and big lashes on your eye. My favorite part is when she hit the slow-mo. I just love the way that her soul glows. It's the extreme beauty factor. You know she's not an actor. Her content will leave you coming back for more, for more, for more, for more. She's laid them faces, yeah. No matter what the race is, no. Book her for your next event. When there's an event, she got content. Yeah, she will make it worthwhile. She will make sure you looking fly with that highlight and big lashes on your eye. My favorite part is when she hit the slow-mo. I just love the way that her soul glows. It's the extreme beauty factor. You know she's not an actor. Her content will leave you coming back for more, for more, for more, for more. She slay them faces, yeah, no matter what the race is, no. Book her for your next event. When there's an event, she got content. Yeah, she will make it worthwhile. She will make sure you looking fly with that highlight and big lashes on your eye. My favorite part is when she hit the slow-mo. I just love the way that her soul glows. It's the extreme beauty factor. You know she's not an actor. Her content will leave you coming back for more, for more, for more, for more. She slay them faces, yeah, no matter what the race is, no. Book her for your next event. When there's an event, she got content. Yeah, she will make it worthwhile. She will make sure you looking fly with that highlight and big lashes on your eye. My favorite part is when she hit the slow-mo. I just love the way that her soul glows. It's the extreme beauty factor. You know she's not an actor. Her content will leave you coming back for more, for more, for more, for more. She slay them faces, yeah, no matter what the race is, no. Book her for your next event. When there's an event, she got content. Yeah, she will make it worthwhile. She will make sure you looking fly with that highlight and big lashes on your eye. My favorite part is when she hit the slow.
Talk about this right here, right quick. This right here is the ILMAKIAGE. I ordered this for them, y'all. I love this eyebrow pencil. It doesn't make my eyebrows look too shiny. If y'all can see, oh my god, I love this pencil because it still look like it's matte. Every pencil that I did use, nothing against these pencils because they did some justice and they're a little cheaper. These right here, they're good too, but this is a more expensive one. This right here is the cheaper one. They work too, but it makes my eyebrows shiny. Even if I put powder on it, still be shiny. This right here, it hasn't been, I haven't had any shine or anything. So guys, I'll put the link in the description box about ILMAKIAGE, okay? Alright guys, I just wanted to jump on here and tell y'all guys that I love y'all. Please like, share, and subscribe. And when there's an event, I got some content. And guess what? I'll see y'all in the next video. Love you guys.